What if I told you there are American cars out there right now, selling for pennies on the dollar, that can outlast almost anything on the road? These aren't fancy, they aren't flashy, but they will run for 500,000 miles if you treat them right. Today I'm counting down 5 dirt cheap American cars built between 2012 and 2015 that mechanics secretly love. Number 1 is going to surprise you, so stick around till the end. Number 5. 2013 Chevrolet Impala. Let's kick things off with number 5, the 2013 Chevrolet Impala. Now, I know what you're thinking, an Impala? Really? But hear me out, because this full-size sedan is one of the most underrated high-mileage machines in American history. The 2013 Impala came with 2 solid engine options, a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder and a 3.6-liter V6. Both are known for going way past 200,000 miles without major issues, as long as you keep up with basic oil changes. But here's the part that really matters. Taxi companies and police departments across the country ran these cars for years, racking up insane mileage, often well over 300,000 miles, before retiring them. If a car can survive being a taxi in New York City, it can survive your daily commute. The transmission in this generation is a 6-speed automatic that's been refined over years of use in GM's larger vehicles. It's smooth, it's predictable, and it doesn't throw constant error codes like some newer transmissions do. The frame and suspension are built heavy-duty, designed to absorb the abuse of fleet use, which means your average driver barely puts a dent in its lifespan. Now here's something most people don't know. Because so many of these were used as fleet and rental cars, there's a flood of well-maintained units on the used market right now. You can often find a clean 2013 Impala for under $5,000. Mechanics who've worked on GM's larger sedans will tell you straight up, this is one of the easiest, cheapest cars to keep alive. Parts are everywhere, labor is simple, and there's nothing exotic under the hood. The interior holds up well too, with durable cloth and vinyl options that don't fall apart like the leather in some luxury brands. But before you write this one off as just a rental car, wait until you see number 4, because it's a vehicle that's been quietly used by farmers, contractors, and small businesses for decades, and it might just be the toughest one on this entire list. Number 4. 2012 Ford Fusion. Coming in at number 4, we have the 2012 Ford Fusion, and this one might be the biggest sleeper on this entire list. The 2012 Fusion sits right at the end of its first-generation design, which means by this point, Ford had already worked out most of the early bugs. This particular model year came with a reliable 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. These engines are simple, naturally aspirated, and don't rely on complicated turbochargers that tend to fail early in other brands. What makes the Fusion special is how forgiving it is. Owners report driving these cars well past 250,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance, oil changes, brake pads, and the occasional battery replacement. The non-turbo engine option, in particular, has a reputation for being nearly bulletproof, since it lacks the extra components that typically wear out and cause expensive repairs. There's also a hybrid version of the 2012 Fusion, and surprisingly, even that has held up well over the years, with many hybrid batteries lasting far longer than expected. But if you want the absolute cheapest path to 500,000 miles, stick with the standard gas engine. It's simpler, and simpler almost always means longer lasting. Right now, you can find a 2012 Fusion in decent condition for somewhere between $3,000 and $6,000, depending on mileage and location. That's an incredible deal for a mid-size sedan with this kind of reputation. Parts are affordable too, since Ford produced these in massive numbers, meaning junkyards and auto parts stores are loaded with cheap replacement components. Mechanics often point out that the Fusion's suspension and steering components are easy to access and inexpensive to repair, which keeps long-term ownership costs incredibly low compared to European competitors from the same era. If you're someone who wants a comfortable, good-looking sedan that won't drain your bank account in repair bills, the 2012 Fusion deserves serious consideration. But don't get too comfortable yet, because number 3 on this list is a truck. and it's the kind of workhorse that farmers, contractors, and small business owners have trusted for generations. You really don't want to miss this one. Number 3. 2014 Ford F-150. Number 3 on our list is a true American workhorse, the 2014 Ford F-150. If there's one vehicle that defines built to last, it's this truck. The 2014 model year sits right before Ford's big aluminum body redesign, which means this generation is still using a traditional steel body, simpler to repair and beloved by old-school mechanics. Under the hood, the most dependable option is the 3.7-liter V6 or the legendary 5.0-liter V8. Both engines are naturally aspirated, meaning fewer turbo-related failures down the road, and both are known to comfortably surpass 300,000 miles with proper care. Trucks, by nature, are built tougher than sedans. Heavier frames, stronger suspension components, and drivetrains designed to tow and haul mean that a well-maintained F-150 can handle decades of abuse that would destroy a regular car. Farmers and contractors have used this generation of F-150 for years, often putting on tens of thousands of miles annually, and these trucks just keep running. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with these engines is widely considered one of Ford's most reliable transmissions from this era, simple, durable, and easy to service. And because the F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for decades, replacement parts are everywhere. You won't be searching for some rare, overpriced component. You'll find what you need at almost any auto parts store in the country. Pricing on a 2014 F-150 with higher mileage can be surprisingly affordable, often landing in the $8,000 to $12,000 range depending on trim and condition. And remember, this is a full-size pickup truck, not some tiny economy car. That's an incredible amount of capability and durability for the price. Mechanics consistently point to this generation as one of the easiest trucks to keep running past 300,000 miles, especially with basic maintenance like fluid changes and timing component checks. If you need a truck that can work hard and still be standing decades from now, the 2014 F-150 deserves a serious look. Now, number 2 on this list might be the most overlooked car in this entire video. A compact sedan that quietly became one of the most dependable vehicles America has ever produced. You don't want to miss this one. Number 2. 2013 Ford Taurus. At number 2, we have the 2013 Ford Taurus, a full-size sedan that doesn't get nearly enough credit for how dependable it truly is. By 2013, Ford had refined the Taurus into a comfortable, well-built sedan with a few solid engine choices. The standout option for long-term reliability is the 3.5-liter V6, a naturally aspirated engine that avoids the complications that come with turbocharging. This engine has a strong track record of running well past 250,000 miles with nothing more than standard maintenance. The Taurus was also widely used by police departments in the form of the Police Interceptor variant, which shares much of its mechanical DNA with the civilian model. If a car is tough enough to be chased, driven hard, and used in high-stress situations every single day by law enforcement, it's tough enough to handle your daily errands for decades. The 6-speed automatic transmission in the 2013 Taurus is smooth and has proven to be far more durable than many transmissions from competing brands in this price range. Owners frequently report minimal transmission issues even at high mileage, which is a major factor in reaching that 500,000-mile mark. Because the Taurus isn't as popular or talked about as smaller sedans, used prices remain incredibly low. You can often find a clean, well-maintained 2013 Taurus for around $5,000 to $7,000, a steal considering its size, comfort, and proven durability. Mechanics often highlight how spacious the engine bay is, making routine maintenance and repairs far easier compared to cramped European engine compartments. This accessibility translates directly into lower labor costs over the life of the vehicle. The body and suspension are built heavy, designed to handle the demands of police use, which means a civilian driver barely scratches the surface of what this car can endure. If you want a large, comfortable, American-made sedan that can realistically last you decades without major issues. The 2013 Taurus is one of the best-kept secrets on the used car market. But now we've arrived at number 1, the car that mechanics across the country consistently name as nearly unkillable. If you've made it this far, you are going to want to hear this. Number 1, 2015 Chevrolet Malibu. And here it is, number 1 on our list. The 2015 Chevrolet Malibu, the car so many mechanics quietly recommend but rarely talk about publicly. The 2015 Malibu came at a point where Chevrolet had ironed out most early production issues, resulting in a mid-size sedan that's shockingly dependable for how affordable it is today. The most reliable engine option here is the 2.5-liter four-cylinder, a simple, naturally aspirated engine without the complications that turbocharged engines often bring later in life. What sets the Malibu apart is its combination of comfort, size, and mechanical simplicity. The 6-speed automatic transmission is smooth, well-tested, and known to handle high mileage without the catastrophic failures seen in some import competitors during this same era. Owners regularly report crossing the 250,000-mile mark with nothing more than standard maintenance, and many mechanics believe a well-cared-for unit can realistically reach 400,000 to 500,000 miles. Because the Malibu wasn't a flashy or trendy car when it was new, depreciation hit it hard, which is great news for buyers today. You can often find a clean 2015 Malibu for somewhere between $4,000 and $7,000, an incredible price for a comfortable, full-featured sedan with this kind of reliability reputation. Parts availability is excellent since GM produced these in huge numbers, meaning local parts stores and junkyards are packed with affordable components. Labor costs also tend to be lower than average, since the engine bay layout is straightforward and accessible for most routine repairs. Mechanics often point out that the suspension and steering components on this generation Malibu are built tougher than people expect, easily handling rough roads and daily wear without constant replacement. If you're looking for the ultimate combination of low price, comfort, and long-term reliability, the 2015 Malibu might just be the smartest used car purchase you can make in today's market. And there you have it, 5 dirt-cheap American cars built to outlast almost anything on the road. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments which one you drive to 500,000 miles.